Hi everyone, Jade here from Nested Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about quantitative synthesis. So you've likely completed the meta-analytical extraction module in AutoLit, and now what you're going to do is navigate to Settings, to the Synthesis section, and toggle on Quantitative Synthesis. This means that when you navigate to the synthesis page, quantitative synthesis will now show up on this page. For users that are just viewing this output, this is where you'll start. So select quantitative synthesis, and what this page is an interactive page that allows you to take a look at comparisons of different data elements between different underlying therapies. So we have a summary page, distribution, and network meta-analysis page. On the summary page, what you're going to see is a list of different interventions, and they're going to be minimized. At this stage, you can maximize them, open them up, view the subgroups, view the studies that reported that particular therapy. You can toggle different baseline characteristics, different outcomes, and here they are in order of most frequently reported. So you can look at 3 data elements at a time, view the total patients reported, confidence intervals in a table format. What you can also do for individual data elements is view a visual. And this can be just helpful to see, the different totals as a sort of pseudo forest plot instead of taking a look at the numerical values. So that can be helpful. On the distribution page, you can select different data elements again to view any trends, any correlation, any heterogeneity between 2 data elements. So let's say we take a look at males and mortality, let's say. So each of these different nodes, of course, represents a different intervention reported in a specific study. So here you can interact with these different nodes. Let's say we took a look at this one, view the abstract. On the tags tab, this is the qualitative data. So if you toggle through these, you can take a look at that. But here we're more focused on the quantitative data. So select data, and here we want to take a look at mortality and males reported. And so here you can drill down on that data. On the network meta-analysis page, here again you have all of your interventions minimized. You can toggle a specific data element that you want to view a comparison for. So in this case, we'll leave it toggled for mortality. We have some odds ratios generated for comparisons between these different interventions. And again, you can open these up to view more specific comparisons between the specific therapies. Here you have again a visual that can be helpful to look at the number of comparisons made between the underlying therapies. As well as odds ratios, we have the I-squared value that's generated, the confidence intervals, and for each of the comparisons, you can also take a look at a forest plot that breaks down the individual studies reported and again gives you the confidence interval up here. For specific therapies, you can even go into those. Let's say we take a look at stent retriever, and we've got the forest plot ranking here, a sucra ranking, and the funnel plot here as well. Again, to allow you to assess publication bias, heterogeneity, any outliers, that sort of thing. And in the funnel plot, again, you can interact with the studies, taking a look at, again, a drill down of that data. So that's a summary of each of the pages within quantitative synthesis. This is an auto-generated interactive visual, and you can very easily share it using this button in the top right. Share a link, share a QR code, embed it on your site, whatever you choose, and take a look at that visual that way. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.